In growing cities, a trend uses shade canopies and reflective surfaces to keep playgrounds comfortable for kids and guardians. Designers blend bright colors with permeable ground to cut heat while inviting exploration, joy, and resilience. Communities host workshops turning scrap materials into musical chimes and nets that teach kids creativity and teamwork. Researchers note that shaded, cooler playgrounds extend outdoor activity, supporting health for all ages without sacrificing safety. This trend shows everyday spaces becoming welcoming classrooms, where laughter and learning grow under protective shade.